Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is stock exchange. Now, you all must have heard this stock exchange in newspapers. You must have read in the newspaper. You must have heard on your mobile app, or you all must have heard in the news. Okay, now stock exchange is a very important element of the Indian economy. Okay, now this stock exchange will help to grow the economy. स्टॉक एक्सचेंज मतलब क्या होता है? स्टॉक, you all know what do you mean by stock? You all use stock is what? It is a asset. Okay, it is a asset of the company. So your stock exchange is very important. Now this stock market is very important constituent of capital market. Okay, your money market will not come, because money market is only for short term funds. Okay, it is for a where for it is less than 1 year. Here यहाँ पे क्या होगा? सिर्फ capital market आ जाएगा. Now it is a part of financial market where corporate securities are bought and sold. Okay, here every whatever corporate के जो shares है या debentures है, ये यहाँ पे brought, it will be brought and sold. Now, listed securities, those are included in for trading. They are listed on the stock exchange. It is securities listed. A company has to apply to the stock exchange and comply with the rules and regulation. Now, we'll see what do you mean by stock exchange. Now, stock exchange is also called as secondary market. It is also called as stock market or share बाजार. ओके, ये आप लोगों ने न्यूज पे वगैरह सुना होगा. आज शेयर बाजार में मंदी है, तेजी है. दिस इज नॉन अ शेयर बाजार मतलब कौन है? स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. The stock exchange is specific place where various types of securities are purchased and sold. The term securities include equity shares, preference shares, debentures, government securities, and bonds. Okay, including units of mutual fund. This everything are traded in the stock exchange. The stock market act as an intermediary between investors and the borrowers. Now, this stock exchange in India has to is regulated by Securities Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. Now, the first stock exchange, if we see the history of stock exchange, the first stock exchange was founded in London, that is London Stock Exchange, which was established in the year 1571. This is the oldest stock exchange. Wherein, if you see India, it was established in 1875, that is Bombay Stock Exchange in India. Okay, it is in Dalal Street. So you will listen to this Dalal Street and all when you go to your first year and all, because Dalal Street is a main place where there is Bombay Stock Exchange, and in this stock exchange there is borrowing and selling of security shares, debentures and all. Okay, so here definition of stock exchange according to Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. The term stock exchange is defined as an association, organization of body or individual whether incorporated or not established for the purpose of assisting and regulating and controlling business of buying and selling, dealing in securities. Okay, इनका मतलब क्या है? ये एक body of individual है where they will buy and sell the securities. According to Husband and Dockery have defined stock exchange as stock exchange are privately organized market, okay, which are used to facilitate trading in securities. ये लोग क्या करेंगे? They will facilitate trading in the market. So they say that it is a privately organized market only for trading securities. Important features of stock exchange are as follows. Market for securities. Okay, now this stock exchange is a place where all type of corporate securities as well as securities of the government and semi government bodies are traded. Okay, second hand securities. Now securities traded in stock exchange are those securities which are already issued by the company. In other words, second-hand securities are bought and sold among investors in the stock exchange. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे न्यू सिर्फ फ्रेश इशू होते हैं. There are second-hand securities also, which company has already issued before, and whatever securities are there, उनका buying and selling चालू रहता है. Listed securities. Only securities that are listed with the stock exchange can be traded. Okay, जो stock exchange पे listed है, registered है, only those securities can be traded in the stock exchange. Oh, then organized and regulated market. Now all these listed company has to comply, has to follow the guidelines which are issued by the SEBI, that is Securities Exchange of India. So they have to function as per the rules and regulations laid down by stock exchange. Specific location. Now, stock exchange has a specific physical place where securities are traded. ऐसा नहीं it is online, but there is a place where all the securities are traded. It is a marketplace where brokers and intermediaries meet to conduct dealing in securities. Today, all trading is done electronically on stock exchange. Trading through the only through members. Now, securities in stock exchange can be traded only by the members of the exchange on their own behalf of the other brokers. Okay, ये जो brokers है उनके behalf पे कौन करता है? Members of the stock exchange they can trade. Okay. Next, management of stock exchange. Who manages the stock exchange? Now, this stock exchange is the overall activity and management of the stock exchange. So, executive committee of stock exchange will look after the management of the company. The composition, power, and name of the executive committee differs from the exchange to exchange. एक एक्सचेंज से दूसरे एक्सचेंज तक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लोग रहते हैं. ऐसे कि नहीं कि सेम लोग पूरा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑफ द इंडिया संभालेंगे. द अदर सपोर्टिंग कमिटीज टू असिस्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी आर एडवाइजरी कमिटी, लिस्टिंग कमिटी, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंडिया. In India, the stock exchange is organized in three forms. That is, a voluntary not-profit organization, companies with a liability limited by shares, and company with a liability limited by guarantee. The Securities Contract Act 1956 provides what they provide rules for functioning, licensing, recognizing and for controlling speculation. Speculations मतलब changes जो रहते हैं उनको फंक्शन करने के लिए, उनको लाइसेंस करने के लिए, उनको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए ये रूल्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं. मेंबरशिप ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. The eligibility criteria for membership may differ from stock exchange to stock exchange. Okay, अगर बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे करना है तो उनके जो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है वो नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से डिफरेंट होंगे. सो एवरी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का एक अपना क्राइटेरिया रहता है. सो मेंबरशिप क्राइटेरिया इज डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. Then, functions of stock exchange. What stock exchange does? It does mobilization of saving. Stock exchange जो है they are organized and regulated market which protect the interest of the investors. They will encourage small and big investors also to invest in securities. अगर ऐसा नहीं कि जिनके पास बहुत पैसे है वो ही सिक्योरिटीज में स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. नो, ओनली अ स्मॉल एज वेल एज जो बिग इन्वेस्टर्स है दोनों स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं इन द सिक्योरिटीज विच आर देयर इन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. It does provide a ready-made market for buying and selling of securities. Capital formation. Investors in securities are attracted due to good returns on investment. Okay, यहाँ पे जो securities है उनके अच्छा रिटर्न मिलता है, डिविडेंड अच्छा मिलता है, इंटरेस्ट अच्छा मिलता है, इसीलिए वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है which helps in capital appreciation. This attract more investors to invest through stock exchange. There is a safety that stock exchange में हमारे जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो सेफ रहेंगे. Pricing of securities. The stock market helps to value securities on the basis of demand and supply factor. ओके, इनके ऊपर ही डिपेंड रहता है. द सिक्योरिटीज ऑफ प्रॉफिटेबल एंड ग्रोथ ओरिएंटेड कंपनीज आर वैल्यूड हायर as there is a demand for these securities. The valuation of securities is only useful for investors, government as well as creditors. Okay, जिनके 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 गुडविल अच्छे हैं, जो कंपनी अच्छे प्रॉफिट करते हैं, उनके उनके जो शेयर्स है या सिक्योरिटीज है, उनका प्राइस हमेशा ज्यादा रहता है. Economic barometer. The stock exchange is reliable barometer to measure economic conditions of the company. जो भी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज जैसे कि निफ्टी हो, सेंसेक्स हो, उनके ऊपर जो पॉइंट्स आते हैं, that will tell you the condition of the company, economy of the country, economic condition of the country. Every major changes in the country and economy is reflected in the prices of the share. अगर कुछ भी डिसीजन, कुछ भी पॉलिसी, अगर कुछ भी डिसीजंस लेते हैं गवर्नमेंट, ओके, वो कहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट होगा? इट विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन द शेयर प्राइसेस ऑफ द company. The rise and fall of share price indicates the boom or recession changes of the company. Stock exchange is also known as a pulse of the economy or economic mirror, as it reflects the economic condition of the company. See, this may come for the filling the blanks. That is, stock exchange is also known as pulse of the economy. Why? Because अगर कुछ भी decisions लेते हैं, अगर economy हमारी कैसी है वो जानना है, तो हमें stock exchange को देखना पड़ेगा. अगर stock exchange अच्छा है, then the economy is very good. प्रोटेक्टिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर्स. नाउ ये जो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है वो क्या करेंगे? दे विल हेल्प टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर्स. इन स्टॉक मार्केट ओनली द लिस्टेड सिक्योरिटीज आर ट्रेडेड. ओके, ना स्टॉक एक्सचेंज अलाउज लिस्टिंग ओनली आफ्टर वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द साउंडनेस ऑफ द कंपनी. ऐसे ही किसी को वो लोग लिस्ट नहीं करेंगे. दे हैव सम सर्टेन criteria. If the company goes through that criteria, और उनका जो सिक्योरिटीज ट्रेड करने के लिए उनका जो साउंडनेस है, मतलब कंपनी कितनी प्रॉफिटेबल है, कंपनी के पास कितने असेट्स है, उन सब का वेरिफिकेशन करने के बाद दे विल बी लिस्टेड इन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. लिक्विडिटी. द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज और स्टॉक मार्केट का क्या है? लिक्विडिटी ऑफ द एसेट. इट इज अ रेडीमेड मार्केट which provides the sale and purchase of securities. The presence of stock market gives the assurance to the investors that their investment can be converted into cash whenever and whenever how much they want. Okay, then better allocation of capital. The share of the profit-making company are quoted at a higher price and it actively traded, so such companies can easily raise capital from the stock market. Contributes to economic growth. In stock exchange, securities of various companies are brought and sold. Okay, ये जो stock exchange है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे companies की जो securities है वो they are brought and sold. So investors invest in companies which give good return on investment. Hence, companies too try to invest in a productive investment project. जो कंपनी लोग क्या करते हैं, जो कंपनी अच्छे से उनको रिटर्न देगी उसी शेयर्स या उसी सिक्योरिटीज में वो लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. तो कंपनी भी क्या करती है? अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करती है. contributes to economic growth. Now stock exchange क्या करता है? When they know that a company is listed on the stock exchange, the people will try to invest in that company. So when they invest, वहाँ पे क्या होगा? There will be more productive projects. Okay, productive projects होंगे. This will lead to the capital formation as well as economic growth. Providing scope for speculations. To ensure liquidity and demand or supply of securities, the stock exchange permits healthy speculation of securities. Promotes habit of saving and investment. जैसे कि लोगों को सेविंग करने के हैबिट्स से क्या करेंगे, दे विल इंक्रीज. द स्टॉक मार्केट ऑफर्स attractive opportunities for investment of various securities. These attractive opportunities encourage what people to save money, save more and invest securities of the corporate sector rather than investing in unproductive assets such as gold and silver. गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर का क्या होता है, the rates doesn't increase immediately. It takes time to increase, whereas these securities they increase within a second also, or they can decrease within a second also. So it will promote a habit of good saving and investment. Major stock exchange of India. Now in India there are two stock exchange. They are the major stock exchange, that is Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is known as BSE. Okay, it was set up in the year 1875 and it is also called as Native Share or and the Stock Brokers Association. And it is located where? It is located in Mumbai, Dalal Street. If you see in the see the now you cannot see because there is corona, but before electronic mode of transport, okay, there was the people who were waiting at exactly 9 o'clock outside this Dalal Street in Mumbai. If you see Dalal Street, Dalal meaning what? Traders, okay, traders ka street. That's why this name has come, Dalal Street, because all the traders, you would, if you see old videos of Bombay Stock Exchange and all, you will see people standing out to see what is the rate of their securities. क्योंकि पहले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मोड नहीं थे, people were getting information only through the stock brokers. It is the Asia's first stock exchange. It is the first listed stock exchange in India. It is the 11th largest stock exchange in the world in terms of market capitalization. It is the largest number of it has around 5,000 companies which are on the BSE. It is now demutualized and corporatalized entity registered under Companies Act 1956. Okay, the BSE switches to electronic trading system in the year 1995. Okay, the automated screen-based trading platform is called BSE Online Trading, that is BOLT. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, अभी ऑटोमेटेड स्क्रीन आती है, ऑटोमेटेड स्क्रीन बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग, मतलब यू डोंट हैव टू स्टैंड आउटसाइड द बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. नाउ दे हैव मूव टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम वेयर देयर विल बी मतलब जैसे लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन रहती है वैसे एक स्क्रीन रहती है, जैसे कि हमारा विंडो स्क्रीन कैसे रहता है वैसे देयर विल बी अ शेयर ट्रेडिंग screen wherein all the details of the trade shares will be there. If you want to gain extra information, just google the electronic mode of bolt. Okay, तो आपको पूरा डिटेल आ जाएगा. The BSE has introduced a centralized exchange system based internet trading system, BSE Webex Co-in, okay, to enable investors anywhere in the world to trade on the BSE platform. Then next is National Stock Exchange, NSE. NSE was set up by the group of leading financial institutions in the year 1992 as a company and was recognized as stock exchange in the year 1993. Under the Securities Contract Act 1956, they started trading activity in the year 1994. It was the largest, most modern stock exchange in India. Then NSE is located in Mumbai. This is also located in Mumbai. It was first demutualized electronic exchange in India. Okay, यहाँ पे first electronic exchange in India NSE ने लाया था. NSE was the first exchange in the country to provide modern and fully automated screen trading system which offers easy trading facilities to the investors. The main index of NSE is what? Nifty, which was launched in the year 1996. Then, Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Okay, this is very important. SEBI मतलब क्या है? The Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, it is regulator of the company capital market in India. The SEBI was established in the year 1992. ये जो BSE और NSE है उनको कौन कंट्रोल करता है? SEBI उनको कंट्रोल करता है. Under the Act, Indian Securities Exchange Board of India 1992. इसका जो सेबी का हेडक्वार्टर्स है वो कहाँ पे है? मुंबई. एंड many regional and local offices all over India. Functions of SEBI. Now, SEBI has the main objective SEBI का क्या है? To promote securities market, protecting the interest of the investors in the security market, and to regulate security market. सो सेबी ने कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस लिए हैं, तो उस रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को इश्योर ऑफ द सिक्योरिटीज, द मार्केट इंटरमीडिएटरीज एंड इन्वेस्टर्स उनको फॉलो करना चाहिए. सो वील सी व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ सेबी to protect the interest of the investors in the security market. That is the first function. Next, to promote the development of securities market. SEBI क्या करता है? It will help to promote the development of securities market. Then, to regulate the business in the stock exchange and the other securities market. Okay, SEBI क्या करता है? They will give some rules and regulations and they have to follow. Then, to register and regulate the working of the stockbroker, sub-broker, share transfer agents, bankers to issue trustee of the trust deed, registrar to issue merchant banker, underwriters, and such other intermediaries who may be associated with the securities market. Then, to register and regulate the working of the venture capital and collective investment scheme including mutual funds. Okay, then to promote and regulate self-regulatory organization, to prohibit fraudulent और unfair practices relating to security market. अगर security market में कुछ fraud हो रहा है, fraudulent हो रहा है, unfair trade practices हो रहा है, तो उनको stop करना. To promote investors education and trading of intermediaries of the securities market, to prohibit insider trading in the securities. So these are the functions of the SEBI.